this pocket watch up for sale. It is a skeleton pocket watch, and it's made by Girard Perreguax. Hope I'm saying it right. It's a pretty cool looking pocket watch. The case is base metal. It is a manual line and a stem set. Then it says established in 1791. It says special right there, and it says Shell. So I don't know if it's like, you know, the Shell oil company, but it's definitely a pretty cool looking pocket watch. And it has been serviced in-house by a professional watchmaker. Please take a look at our other listings on our website, romansjewelry.com, and on eBay, and I'll have both of the links below for you to check that out. Thanks for looking.